In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make a simple mouth animation like this.
Happy New Year!
First, you install a free add-on called Keymesh. Go to this website, click the blue button that says Get Add-on, and then drag and drop it into Blender. Enable the add-on by clicking OK. The way Keymesh works is it lets you save different versions of a model and animate switching between them. The Keymesh tools appear under the Animation tab in your sidebar. Press the N key to open it, then navigate to the Animation panel. We have to create a mouth for our character. Make sure you are in Object mode, and your 3D cursor is in the middle of the scene. Add a new plane. Press F2 and rename the object to Mouth. Add a child of constraint and set the target to be your mouth bone. Go into front view, go into edit mode, select all vertices and scale down the mouth. Now you will model the mouth into the shape you want it to be when it's closed and has a neutral expression. I will just scale the mouth a bit and round one of the ends, select all the vertices, then use the symmetrize command to mirror it. Let's add a black material for the mouth. Now we'll start using the Keymesh add-on. We can click this button here to make our first mouth shape into the default mouth. I will rename mine to Mouth Neutral. These are all the mouth shapes I like to use in my animations. If you want to use this as a reference, feel free to take a screenshot. To make the next mouth shape, just click the plus icon. Let's make the O sound. Make sure you have the mouth O selected. Snap your 3D cursor in the middle of the mouth. Go to edit mode, select all, delete, and then add a new circle. Rotate it 90 degrees, scale it down, then extrude and scale it down to 0 to have a solid circle. Press A to select all vertices. Then press M and select Merge by Distance to merge all the overlapping vertices. Move everything down a bit to line up the mouths a bit better. To animate the mouth, go to Object mode, then go to the frame where you want to change the mouth, and then click this button. This adds a keyframe that changes the mouth. Try adding a few keyframes to see how it works. Press play to see your animation. If you want to add more detail like teeth and tongue, then you can edit the mesh and assign them different materials. If you want the mouth shapes to have different expressions like smiling and frowning, you can make shape keys. Make sure you are in object mode and select the mouth you want to adjust. Find the shape key panel and click the plus icon twice. Rename the second shape key to smile. Now you can create the smile. Don't delete any vertices so it doesn't break the model. Change the shape key value to test how it works. To keep this video short, I'm not going to show you how to model every single mouth shape. I prepared all of these ahead of time. You can make your own by using the method I showed you before. Let me show you how to animate your mouth so that it matches with your audio. Let's import our audio clip first. Right click here, select horizontal split and open this up a bit. Change the view to be video sequencer. From this drop-down menu, select scene, then drag in your audio clip. Open this drop-down menu that says playback and make sure your sync mode is synced to audio and have audio scrubbing and play audio on. Let's listen to the voice clip once and then start animating.
Happy New Year!
I will select the mouth, and for the first frame I'll insert a keyframe for neutral. Then on the second frame it's an H and it turns into A. Next is the letter P.
Happy!
It turns roughly here.
Happy New Year!
Next is the letter E.
Happy New Year!
We'll insert it here. The word new starts with N. And turns into E. I think Oo's shape is better here. And let's go for the E shape. And I'm going to use the ooh again.
Here.
And let's end with the neutral face. And let's hear it.
Happy New Year!
I think that's pretty good. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and check out my animations here on my channel. If there is anything unclear in the tutorial, I'll happily answer your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.